In my daily hustle and bustle, I need the perfect companion for my journey. Someone who can take the rough with the smooth and can go the extra mile with me. I am Rahul Mangani and this is my Mahindra Thar. When I am driving in the city, the Thar just zooms through the busy roads like a boss. The mStallion 150 TGDI petrol engine is perfect for city travel. I personally enjoy the ability of the Thar to go from 0 to 100 in just about 10.2 seconds. Driving in the lanes and bylanes of the city with the automatic transmission is also a very smooth experience. But not only on city roads, the Mahindra Thar is made to perform even off-road. As a photographer, I travel a lot, and to get that perfect shot, sometimes I have to travel to locations with improper roads. For example, an extremely narrow road like this, right in the middle of a forest. The Mahindra Thar is a perfect combination of beauty and power. The new Mahindra Thar is a very high-tech and a very refined petrol engine. The mStallion 150 TGDI petrol engine is so smooth yet so powerful. I don't have any difficulty driving it on any terrain. It is literally in a class of its own. With a power of 150 bhp and a high torque of 320 Nm, the pickup of the Thar is really very powerful. The design of the Thar is also one of my favorite features of this car. The muscular and retro design looks great in any location and has always been a head turner. Whether I am driving the car for leisure or I am traveling for work, it accompanies me literally everywhere I go. For me, Thar is more than just a vehicle. It is an emotion. It is an extension of me during every journey. While I make good images on the go, I am also making great memories with the Thar. And every time I sit in the Mahindra Thar, I think of exploring the impossible.